Good evening everyone. It's me Anand from Ultimate Spoken English Classes Asta. Today we will discuss about how much and how many. When we talk about how much and how many, so you know very well that how many we use with countable nouns and how much we use with uncountable nouns. Means if you talk about how much sugar and how many kilo sugars, there are two different between how much and how many. First, if we talk about one different and second, so first is how much sugar. So means how much sugar we cannot count. It's a called uncountable noun. Second, how many kg sugars we can count it. 2 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg, 5 kg. If we talk about how many and how much, now do does the subject verb. The first one, आप दिन में कितनी शुगर लेते हैं, कितनी शुगर लेते हैं. हाउ मच शुगर डू यू टेक इन द डे. आप कितना शुगर दिन में लेते हैं. हाउ मच शुगर डू यू टेक इन द डे. तो टुडे आई स्पोक अबाउट हाउ मेनी एंड हाउ मच. We will discuss about how many and how much in the next video. So I want to say to you just that you have to make maybe 5 and 10 sentences at your home, so that you could understand that what is the different how many and how much, because we are learning here and we need to understand what is how much and what is how many. So I want to say to you that make sentences, practice sentences and learn that what is learn and what is the topic. The topic is that how many and how much. If you talk about how many and how much, so some people they confuse and they think about themselves that hair is countable or not and stars are countable or not. So I want to make sure that hairs are countable and uncountable. Stars are countable and uncountable. If you know about hairs and stars, so send me a message, then I will tell you why are stars and why are hairs uncountable and countable. So we in grammatical we can use, but in spoken whatever you want to speak you can speak, so that we could understand what are we learning today. That's all. Thank you very much. I am Anand from Ultimate Spoken Class.